how we are making the connection on the different panels to trip the current and calculate the tripping characteristics of this IDMT overcurrent relay. Now, as you can see, this is the panel for mains AC input. In this mains AC input, this is the main supply which we have connected through a connector. Now, these are the mains point. Here 220 volts can be seen. This is the line, this is the neutral. As you can see here, it is mentioned V in, that is voltage in for this variac, and V out, that is the load voltage, the variable voltage that comes out of this. This is the loading transformer. Now we will do the connection from mains to the variac. With this connection, we are connecting the mains to the input of current AC meter and the elapsed time counter. With this AC, the display is working. We have connected, same way we have connected the neutral also. Now what we have done is, we have connected the line to the input of the variac and we have provided the neutral to the variac. Now from the output we have connected, one end we have connected to the lamp load and the other end we are taking from the timer. We are taking this AC ammeter in series with the relay coil. This is the neutral connection. Now the purpose of adding this circuit, making this circuit, is to calculate the current using this current injecting transformer and keeping the relay coil in series. This connection we have shorted to make the connection of the contactor behind this in the panel. Similarly, this is the same connection. This is the connection to make the connection of the NO and NC coil inside this relay, as you get shown here. Now I think you must have understood how the connections have been made. Now I will show you the working. First of all, make sure that this flag pin is set up. As you can see, I have set the pin to 2.5. Now I will start the panel. To start the panel, first of all, push the reset button. The timer will automatically set to 0. This timer measures in milliseconds. For example, if it shows 11.2, that means 11.2 milliseconds. 11.2 seconds. Now there will be always some little current that will be shown in the AC current meter. Now let me start the experiment. As you can see, using this variac, I have set the current to 7 ampere. As you can see, the relay coil trips and you can note down this reading for experiment purposes. Now in the further experiment, we will remove this cover, put the pin in the next value and then again repeat the experiment by weighing the current using this variac. So this is the complete panel for electromechanical overcurrent relay.